Did you know that over 90% of online businesses fail within the first 6 months? That's right. While the internet offers endless opportunities, most people make critical mistakes that destroy their chances of success before they even begin. If you're thinking about starting an online business in 2025, stop and watch this video first. Because today, we're breaking down the top 5 biggest mistakes that most new entrepreneurs make, and how you can avoid them to build a profitable and sustainable online business. So, if you're serious about making money online, stick around because these insights can save you months, if not years, of wasted time and money. Now, let's dive right in. Mistake 1. Choosing the wrong business model. One of the biggest mistakes new entrepreneurs make is choosing the wrong business model. The internet is full of get-rich-quick schemes, and it's easy to fall for business models that sound great on paper but aren't actually sustainable. For example, many people jump into dropshipping because they hear it's passive income, but they don't realize that profit margins are razor thin, competition is fierce, and managing customer service can be a nightmare. The reality? Not every online business model suits everyone. The key is to choose a model that matches your skills, interests, and long-term goals. Here are some of the most profitable and sustainable online business models in 2025. Affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products for commissions. Best for those who enjoy content creation. Freelancing and digital services. If you have skills like writing, graphic design, or video editing, you can start earning immediately. Selling digital products, ebooks, online courses, or printables can generate passive income with the right strategy. E-commerce with a brand. Instead of generic dropshipping, create a unique brand that stands out. Before you start, ask yourself, is this business model scalable? Is it something I genuinely enjoy? And do I understand how to make it profitable? Because the wrong choice can lead to years of frustration and wasted investment. Mistake 2. Lack of market research. Have you ever heard the saying, build it and they will come? Well, that's a lie in the online business world. Most people start businesses based on what they want to sell, not what people actually want to buy. Here's a harsh truth. Nobody cares about your business unless it solves a problem. That's why successful businesses start with market research, understanding what people are searching for, what problems they have, and how much they're willing to pay for a solution. Here's how you can conduct proper market research in 2025. Google and YouTube search, type in your niche, and look at what people are actively searching for. Reddit and Quora, see what real people are complaining about in your industry. Competitor analysis, study successful competitors. What are they selling? Who is their audience? Keyword research tools, use tools like Ubersuggest or Ahrefs to find search demand. Surveys and polls. Ask potential customers what they actually need. The key takeaway? If you don't validate your idea before launching, you risk spending months building something that nobody wants. Mistake 3. Ignoring content and branding. In 2025, your brand is your business. The biggest mistake new entrepreneurs make is ignoring content creation and branding. Think about it. People buy from brands they trust, and trust is built through consistent, valuable content. If you want to stand out online, you must focus on personal branding. Even if you're a small business, people want to connect with the person behind the brand. High-quality content. Whether it's blog posts, YouTube videos, or TikToks, content is the key to organic growth. Social media presence. If you're not on social media, your competitors are stealing your customers. And speaking of content, creating high-quality video content has never been easier. If you want to make engaging videos in minutes without spending hours editing, check out Pictory.ai. This AI-powered tool helps you create professional-looking videos with text-to-video technology, AI voiceovers, and auto-captioning. So whether you're making YouTube videos, social media ads, or educational content, Pictory.ai can do the heavy lifting for you. Click the link in the description and start creating amazing videos today. Mistake 4. Underestimating the importance of marketing. Here's a hard truth. Your business won't succeed just because you have a great product. You need a marketing strategy. Otherwise, nobody will even know you exist. Too many new entrepreneurs waste months perfecting their website or product, but spend zero effort on marketing. Here are the most effective marketing strategies for 2025. SEO, search engine optimization. Get free traffic from Google by ranking for the right keywords. Paid ads. Invest in Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok ads for quick sales. Email marketing. Build an email list and convert leads into customers. Social media. Leverage platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to attract an audience. Influencer collaborations. Partner with niche influencers to gain instant credibility. Marketing isn't optional. It's what separates thriving businesses from failing ones. Mistake 5. Expecting instant success. Last but not least, one of the biggest reasons people fail at online business is unrealistic expectations. Most people expect overnight success. But here's the reality. Online business takes time. Most successful entrepreneurs spent years before making serious money. You will fail before you succeed. Every mistake is a learning experience. Consistency is key. The ones who don't quit are the ones who win. So if you're expecting quick money, online business isn't for you. But if you're willing to stay consistent and keep learning, you will succeed. So there you have it, the top 5 mistakes to avoid when starting an online business in 2025. By choosing the right business model, conducting market research, focusing on branding and marketing, and having realistic expectations, you'll be ahead of 90% of beginners. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future tips on making money online. And don't forget to check out Pictory.ai, your secret weapon for creating engaging videos effortlessly. See you in the next video, and happy hustling!